To me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joe.
You old man. Say this wish is for you. Oh, okay. All right.
Yay! Good job, Uncle Joe.
Hey, Joe. Well, this is us from New York City. It's a little premature, but we didn't want to miss out on wishing you a happy 50th birthday and a wonderful year. And we figure we're all together here on Thanksgiving in one room, all together here. So we figured this is our chance to wish you a very happy birthday. And I have some silly girls
Do
here.
you love my video I made for you?
I
seen the video.
Yes, you did.
I really did.
Oh my
Yes.
God.
And we hope that you liked that yesterday. And I think Haley wants to say a few words.
Happy birthday, Boo.
Haley, would you like to say something?
Happy birthday, Boo.
Just say happy birthday. Oh, stop it.
Happy birthday.
Uncle Joe.
Happy birthday. I love you.
Uncle Joe. Oh, that's a good one.
Joey, this is your mother speaking.
You know this is when he turns us
Just in
off,
case
right?
you didn't know.
Oh,
God, shit here. Come Shirley.
I never,
Come on now.
I never thought I'd make it to see you have 50, but I did. I fooled you all.
Way to go, Grandma. Way to go.
I gotta laugh.
It just feels a little funny that you're not here, Joe. But
Yeah, I
in,
really
in
wish
another
you were
week,
here.
you will be the
Oh,
big
I-
5-0. And by the way, we're in our 50s together this year.
You're half a century old.
Pictures of other things. I was like, who are you talking to? Anybody? Are we going around the
Happy
room?
birthday, Joe. Happy birthday, Dad.
Keep going.
Happy birthday, Uncle Joe. We know we can't be there, but we hope we can be with you. And wishing you a happy 50th and 50 more. Maybe we'll be able to spend a birthday together soon.
Yeah, I hope so.
That's nice. Very good.
Give me
Happy
that
birthday. We love you. Everybody blow kisses.
More people when you
Happy birthday,
You
Dad.
didn't say a word.
Cause you all talking.
Timer's up. I hope you have a good time watching this video because we're having a lot of laughs, and I hope you have a lot of laughs too.
That's right. If anything else, you'll chuckle.
You say, oh, that's my mother. Mother.
Oh, he knows who you are, please.
You know he said mother.
We're just taking a few more moments here.
Mother.
Go ahead, Mike.
What's the one?
Happy birthday, Uncle Joe. Thanks for everything you've done to us and for our life. And, I don't like talking into videos. I stutter. Grandma's laughing over here, which is actually a good thing to see for a change. And once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And that's my only son, and that's my only grandson.
Oh, there we go. But all the girls are here.
Go, 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 go,
Go, Joey. Go, Joey.
Go, Joe. It's your birthday. Go, Joe. It's your birthday. Go, Joe. It's your birthday. Alright, that was the trial run. You never pressed record.
That's right.
I hope you
All
have
right.
a
If
great
anybody else
day.
wants to say something, just feel free.
I hope you have a great day. Come on,
Oh, that's good.
Happy birthday, Uncle Joe.
He told me. That's it.
This video is thanks to Winter for this video.
My singing famous song, Adios, farewell, adios.
Oh, Uncle Joe's favorite movie.
Wait, from the sound.
There we go.
gotta
We have to
Okay,
sing
I'll
it.
help
Okay.
His favorite song.
So long, farewell, I'll be to say goodbye. Adieu to you and you and you. Are you singing?
You sing.
that one.
No, I can't sing.
Come on.
Oh, you can't sing.
For your son, you want to do it?
Leah.
You want to show you what is part of this family?
Leah, get back over here.
Come on, Leah.
Signing off. Regards.
Love you.
Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Enjoy. Say
Have a
goodbye.
great